Have you ever thought about what might happen when Bitcoin and Ethereum hit new all-time highs? The answer might surprise you. If Bitcoin hits $70,000 and Ethereum surpasses $4,000, the next altcoin price explosion is inevitable. But why is this happening, and how do we prepare for what appears to be the beginning of a new era for cryptocurrencies? Let's find out together. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. We are currently in a phase that we might call the calm before the storm. This expression refers to a period of consolidation and waiting that precedes a major change. Why is now the right time to look closely at the cryptocurrency market? Well, the signs are clear. When Bitcoin and Ethereum break out of their all-time highs, altcoins tend to explode. This phenomenon occurs for two main reasons. The first reason is what is called the wealth effect. When Bitcoin and Ethereum hit new records, their holders feel financially secure and comfortable. As a result, they may decide to diversify their investments by moving a portion of their profits into altcoins, which, being less established, potentially offer higher returns. The second reason is the entry of new investors into the market. These new entrants, feeling left out of the huge profits generated by Bitcoin and Ethereum, tend to invest in altcoins, which they perceive as more promising growth opportunities. Currently, there is some bearish sentiment towards the cryptocurrency market. However, it is important to note that we are consolidating prices near all-time highs. This is a positive sign that there may be a breakout to the upside soon. The clock is inexorably moving, and the markets continue to slowly rise. An interesting indicator to consider is the movement of the Bitcoin supply. Currently, 45% of the Bitcoin supply has not moved for 6 months. This value was previously much higher, oscillating between 70% and 80%. When the market peaks, this percentage can drop to 10% or even single digits. This means that many investors are accumulating Bitcoin and are not selling, a sign of long-term confidence. Meanwhile, many entities, companies, and even governments continue to build and purchase Bitcoin. For example, the Japanese company Metaplan, known for its constant accumulation of Bitcoin, recently acquired an additional $500 million in Bitcoin. This brings its total holdings to about 303 Bitcoin, worth nearly $18 million. This move comes after the company secured a $1 billion loan dedicated solely to buying Bitcoin. Metaplan also revealed plans to raise another $70 million through a rights offering, with approximately $58 million earmarked for additional investments in Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs, another major player in the cryptocurrency market, now holds $238 million in shares of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. The bank, which was named an authorized participant in BlackRock's ETF in March, has become BlackRock's third-largest shareholder, behind Millennium and Capula. Millennium owns about $844 million in ETF shares, while Capula owns about $253 million. Goldman Sachs also has significant positions in Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF, with about 1.5 million shares valued at $80 million, and more than 660 shares of Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF, valued at $35 million. Additionally, the bank's investment portfolio includes more than $56 million in the Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF and stakes in other funds such as Bitwise, WisdomTree, and ARK21. Matthew McDermott, Goldman Sachs's global head of digital assets, recently said that the approval of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum products in the United States represents a major psychological turning point. This surge in confidence and liquidity has attracted investment from pension funds, insurance companies, and other institutional investors. In fact, the Wisconsin State Investment Board recently increased its investment in BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF to nearly $100 million, up nearly 500,000 shares from its last 13F filing. And this is just one of the many countries that are showing growing interest in the cryptocurrency market. It is important to note that Bitcoin has been profitable for 96.2% of its life. In the last 5,109 days, Bitcoin has been profitable for 4,915 days. This shows that, rather than trying to guess the right time to enter the market, it is crucial to be part of this monetary and technological revolution. Time spent in the market can prove more beneficial than trying to predict individual price movements. Currently, the Bitcoin price chart looks surprisingly similar to August-October of last year. Retail interest is fading rapidly, apathy among existing participants, and a lack of a clear narrative is evident. However, this may be the best time to accumulate, study new protocols, and prepare for what looks to be the next big move. As the past has shown, sustained downturns, such as those seen in 2023, are often followed by explosive moves to the upside. In the current environment, many experts predict that altcoin season will return when Bitcoin surpasses $70,000 and Ethereum surpasses $4,000. Arthur Hayes, former CEO of BitMEX, recently said that altcoins will explode when Bitcoin and Ethereum reach these milestones. Hayes noted that despite recent market corrections, Bitcoin and Ethereum have shown resilience due to structural support from ETF inflows in the United States. He also mentioned that Solana could resume its bullish trend and reach above $250. However, he cautioned that the impact of a Solana run on the market would be less significant than the wealth effect generated by Bitcoin and Ethereum due to their larger market caps. Other exciting news includes the launch of the first Solana ETF in Brazil and the growing adoption of PayPal's Solana stablecoin, which has surpassed Ethereum in total supply. PayPal expanded its stablecoin to Solana in May 2024, bringing the total supply to 377 million tokens, surpassing the 356 million tokens on Ethereum. Additionally, Coinbase recently resumed operations in Hawaii, ending a 7-year absence, thanks to favorable regulatory changes. In conclusion, we are witnessing a pivotal moment for the cryptocurrency market. Preparations are underway, and the next explosion seems to be just around the corner. New regulations, the entry of large investors, and significant movements of altcoins indicate that the market is ready for a new phase of growth. With that said, thanks for following us this far. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news in the crypto world and not waste a crypto adventure, hit that follow button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.